Sponsor is Two-Cut Butcher Knives.
Now I'm going to show what is the sound of a silenced generator. There are several types of generators that are in a good quality of silencing and a good quality of mechanics and electrics. One of them is Subaru. The main are Subaru, Yamaha, Yanmar, and several few others. Many others are just Chinese bad quality or Chinese medium quality, but the majors are well-known generators, and I did not mention Honda. So Honda, Yamaha, Yanmar, Subaru are very good silence generator. Now I will engine the motor. With that kind of engine, you can put it nearby you, maybe 2, 3, 5 meters, and you can still work and concentrate in your work.
Sponsor is Two-Cut Butcher Knives.